Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Sunday, 25th February 2024 was a joyful day for the parish community of the Don Bosco Catholic Mission Corps, the Salesian Mission in Corps, Kenya, which welcomed the General Counselor for the Missions, Father Alfred Maravilla. He was accompanied by Father Eric Mairura of the Mission Sector, Father George Tharaniel, Superior of the Salesian Province of East Africa, and Father Joe Spaden Jare Parampil, Head of the Commission for Missionary Animation in the province. Father Maravilla spent much of the day with the people of the parish, celebrating Sunday Mass for the faithful and visiting the recently renovated and reopened parish dispensary. Then he went to NGR Unit, a mission station of the parish about 50 kilometers away, and in the afternoon he met the young people of the parish. On 23rd February, young people from the Salesian Youth Movement SYM in Shillong, specifically the St. Anthony's Secondary School group, met young residents at Rilang Children's Home, an orphanage run by the Salesians in Shillong Province, INS. Led by Mr. Gaurav, the SYM members were welcomed by Salesian brother Ricky Kemenlang Maulong, who explained to the children the essence of the Salesian youth movement and urged them to always nurture a love for Don Bosco. Subsequently, the SYM young people brought gifts to the children and shared the snack time in the refectory with them. This simple interaction brought joy to the little ones and exemplified the sense of community and compassion. The Salesian Family Commission organized the presentation of the Rector Major Strena 2024 on 24th of February 2024 at the headquarters of the Salesian Vice Province in Anisakan Pien Olwin. The event began with a Mass in the Shrine of Mary Help of Christians, presided over by the Superior of the MYM Vice Province, Father Bosco Nyinyi, and the homily was given by Father John Gam Seng, delegate for the Salesian family. Later, in the Mama Margaret room, Father Bosco Nyinyi shared his ideas and reflections on the 2024 Strena of the Rector Major, Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime. The dream that makes you dream, a heart that transforms wolves into lambs. The extraordinary visitation of Father Hugo Orozco, Counselor for the Inter-America region, to the Salesian San Michael Arcangelo community in Puerto La Cruz took place from Thursday 15 to Sunday 18 February. The opening of the visitation took place on the evening of 15 February. A climate of closeness and fraternity has permeated the Salesian community since the arrival of the Counselor, and action guidelines and the program were the fruit of this evening. On Friday, the 16th in the morning, Father Orozco gave the Salesian good morning to the students at Pius XII School, urging them to be friends of God, to always learn and never stop playing. This was followed by a meeting with the school's animation team, encouraged by the Counselor to continue its important work. Animators and teachers of Catholic institutions in Papua New Guinea participated on 24th February in a seminar on media education, a formation session that opened the doors to learning, interaction and animation of different groups. The program began with an opening prayer led by volunteer Fidelma Urakupa, followed by a welcome address from Father Ambrose Pereira, SDB, Coordinator of Social Communication in the East Asia Oceania region. Father Pereira explained the objectives of the seminar, namely to inform, educate, entertain and inspire, and underlined how the purpose of church media is to bring about changes and transformations, especially in the behavior and attitude of students and the community. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.